So your snake plant's leaves are turning yellow, and you're wondering, is it thirsty or drowning? The truth is, snake plants are tough, but they don't forgive overwatering. If you're watering too often, their roots sit in moisture, rot sets in, and boom, yellow leaves. But if you're barely watering, the leaves can dry out and become crispy instead of yellow. So how often should you water your snake plant? Here's the rule: every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on light and season. If it's summer and your home is warm, once every 2 weeks is fine. However, in winter, when growth slows, once a month is enough, or else you risk root rot. Before you water, always check the soil. Stick your finger in about 2 inches deep. If it's dry, go ahead and water. If it's even a little damp, wait a few more days. And when you do water, water deeply, but let the excess drain completely. Never let the pot sit in standing water, or else those roots will suffocate. Although snake plants survive in low light, they do better with some indirect sunlight. Too little light weakens them, and weak plants turn yellow faster. Moreover, the type of soil matters. Use a fast-draining mix, something made for succulents. That way, excess water won't hang around and cause problems. Therefore, if you want a snake plant that stays green and happy, water wisely, use the right soil, and don't overdo it. Less is always better with snake plants.